Welcome to another video. Today we will be racing this RC car. The frame is like ruined against the Fuller. So let me get him over here and then we'll race. So I'll see you then. And we're back. Okay, I'm gonna hop on here with him. He's going to scoot up. We're gonna race all the way to the barn. We're gonna see who will win. See if it's on. Okay, it's on. Okay, this is gonna be hard. I can't steer. Okay. Can you sit this somewhere up here?
No.
Will that stay?
No.
No. Ready? Set, go. I messed up. Okay. Okay, that sucked. Let me off. Okay, we're gonna go round two. I felt so uncomfortable. Okay. Pull up. Okay. He's gonna hold the camera and drive, and I'm gonna control this. Is that okay with you? Well, hon. Yeah, you wanna do it? You can do it, right? It's not hard. You're videoing. Okay, ready. Set.
Crap.
Will you try it? Ready, set, go.